To create this rosette, you'll need 4 pages of a magazine, a book. You could use wrapping paper, cardstock, any sort of leftover paper that you have. I made mine 9 centimeters. You can make it bigger or smaller depending on the size of the rosette you want. What you're going to do is you're going to accordion fold as small as you possibly can the square. This project is so much fun just because you can use all different kind of combinations of paper, and then different things that you want to put in the center, whether it's costume jewelry or beads or some gems or stickers or old Christmas cards. There's just so many possibilities. So once you're done accordion folding, you go ahead, you can use double-sided tape, glue, hot glue, whatever you'd like, and you're going to fold this in half like so, and then place your glue right here, and then just hold it for a few seconds. Just squeeze it, and it should hold fairly quickly. It won't be completely dry, but it will hold. And then you're going to make 4 of these. So I already made my other 3, and I tried to do it in contrasting colors. So I have 2 purples for the top and bottom, and then 2 more pastel colors on the sides, like so. And then you're going to glue them together to form a circle. So that's going to get glued there. Like so. Just make sure that they're all being glued in the same direction, so that'll make a perfect circle. Like so. Squeeze that tight for a second. And just like that, you've made a rosette. And then glue your 2 ends together. So once you've formed your circle, like so, then you can decide what you want to put in the middle. You could put a bead like so. You could place this down first and then the bead if you want more of it to pop up. So it's totally up to you. You could try stickers, you could try buttons. I think that's really pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that. And you could make a bunch of these and put them all over a wall or a background for like a photo booth or a birthday party. You could use it as a gift topper. So many different ideas. So if you wouldn't mind commenting below on how you used your rosette so we can inspire each other, that would be fantastic. Happy folding.